Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco number RPRS753LP. This is a 30-inch heavy-duty hold-open bracket. There are items like floor doors from Bilco that require a substantially heavier mechanism by which to hold the door open. When roof hatch hardware is insufficient for doing the job, they'll go to a heavy-duty hold-open track system like this. The pieces are sold separately. This is the portion that will mount to the underside of the lid. This is steel-based with a zinc dichromate corrosion-resistant plating on it. The hold-open arm, of course, is going to run in this guide. You've got your block here that will permit it to stay in the held-open position. We'll include hex cap bolts for mounting it to the underside of the door construction. And this video will serve as some visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Overall length on what would be considered a 30-inch length is a net size of 25-inch. Overall width, about 2 1/4. Overall projection, about 2 1/8 or so. Okay, you've got holes for attaching everything. Okay, location of screw holes or bolt holes from the opposite end of the welded-on block. About 1 inch over to about 6 3/4 to about 12 1/2, about 18 1/4, then finally about 24 inch. Center to center on those holes appears to be about 1 1/4. Okay. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bilco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Total of 10 bolts will be included with the hardware. Any questions on the Bilco RPRS7, just to get the part number right, RPRS753LP, hold open bracket, or any other Bilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.